Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade gold on the lower time frames. But before we go to the lower time frames, let's look at what has happened on the higher time frames, and I'll be starting with the daily time frame with the use of pivot analysis. Now today the pivot line is at 2658.77. The first resistance is at 2668.24, while the first support is at 2646.97. Price opened below the pivot line and price dipped a bit before crossing above the pivot line. For now, price is attempting to get to the first resistance, and the first resistance happens to be around the previous day high. So we might see price test that level, and possibly price might drop back to the pivot level. If price drop back to the pivot level and price breaks below the pivot level, we might see price testing the first support. But for now, with yesterday's candlestick that happens to be a doji, we might experience some range, some consolidation of price. That's that as regards pivot analysis on the daily time frame. Let's quickly take a look at the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame shows that this particular month's candlestick has moved up considerably, showing that momentum has increased. We can see what happened around here. Price dropped and price pushed up to show that momentum increased around here. Now we also have another momentum candlestick around here, another one around here. Now this is a considerably longer candlestick, and we are seeing something like this being repeated for this particular month. And that shows that the buyers are still pushing price up. Initially I thought price might get to 2,600 and possibly drop, but it appears as if price is aiming for 3,000 level. So with this momentum candlestick, we might see price briefly cross above 2,700, but for now price is around 2,660. On the weekly time frame, we can see that price is also pushing up. Look at the momentum candlestick around here, another one, but what we are currently looking at now is a breakout of this particular flag pattern, and price appears not to be retracing, which shows that the bullish momentum is still intact on the weekly time frame. After the break of this, you can see price still pushing up. We might see price push up in respect to this particular flagpole. We might see price push up as high as 2,700 before retracing. But for now, price is pushing up on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, what do we have? Yesterday's candlestick. Yesterday's candlestick was a doji. You might see price break above this candlestick, and if price breaks above this candlestick and close as a bullish candle, that will mean that price will continue to go up. But if price gets closer to the top of yesterday's candlestick and drops below, the price drops below yesterday's candlestick and closes below yesterday's candlesticks, let's try and look at a possible scenario, a possible bearish scenario. So if price drops below, if price closes above with this kind of candlestick, above this doji, then the bullish momentum is expected to continue. But if price drops below and we have a red candle giving us a red candlestick such as this, closing below yesterday's low, then that might indicate reversal or retracement, I beg your pardon. That might indicate retracement, and if price retraces, we have this particular order block on the daily time frame. That's the 2564 order block. Price might test that level. Another order block is that on the daily time frame is that 2514. Price might also test that level. But if that fails, that indicates that if that fails and price continues up, that indicates that 2700 is in the cards for the bulls. But for now, with the look of the chart of price on the chart, the bulls are not tired yet and they are still pushing price up. On the 4-hour time frame, what we are looking at currently is price ranging with the range top at 2670 and the range bottom at 2649. Right now the bears were able to push price down to 2649 and the bulls are already in the market attempting to push price back up. Now price has tested the 2662 area. The next level for price to get to is 2666 area before price gets to 2670. If price gets to 2670 and we have price closing on the 4-hour time frame with a candlestick formation in this pattern, if it closes on the 4-hour time frame with a candlestick formation in this pattern, then we expect price to continue to push up. That's that for the 4-hour time frame. But if price drops, we have a particular order block at the 2633 level. Buyers are lined up at around that level to push price up. We have another one at 2626 level, and we have another one at 2620 level. Then the final one at 25, final one at 2590 level. At all these levels are where buyers are likely to come in and continue to push price up. On the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? You can see that price is ranging, but we are looking at something like a double inverted head and shoulder pattern. So we expect price to rise back to 2670 level. This is the left shoulder. This is the head, and we take this as our right shoulder. If price breaks below the right shoulder, I'm talking about if price breaks below 2655 level, we might expect price to get to a break below 2655 level. We might expect price to get to 2649 level. But if price breaks above 2663 level, the next level will be 2667 and then 2670, which is likely. So the likely direction is upside. Looking at the wicks, candle wicks that are being formed, more wicks at the bottom, showing that more buyers are in the market. The prevailing market price trend is bullish. On the 30 minutes time frame, price is ranging upwards. Price is ranging upwards on the 30 minutes time frame, and the bullish trend appears to be intact. On the 15 minutes time frame, price is also ranging and buyers are stepping in. Looking at the trend formation on the 15 minutes time frame, we have a low, we have a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. Now what we are looking at right now is price is attempting to get back up to give us a high high. On the 5 minutes time frame, price is ranging. The sellers took price down to this low, buyers up, sellers down. Now buyers are in the market, and we are looking at price ranging for now, but the likely direction is to the upside. So you might want to look at buying gold for today. So that's that for today's video. If you like the video, why don't you smash the like button? You can subscribe to our channel to see more of our videos. Thank you to our current subscribers for subscribing. If you have comments, questions, please drop below the video. Our website is www.beanfxtrader.com. You can visit the website to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.